Identify the noun in the following sentence. The cat sat on the mat. A. Cat. B. Sat. C. On. D. The. The correct answer is A. Cat. Identify the noun in the following sentence. The children played in the garden. A. Played. B. In. C. Children. D. The. The correct answer is C. Children. Which of the following words is a common noun? A. Paris. B. Dog. C. Mr. Smith. D. January. The correct answer is B. Dog. Which of the following is a proper noun? A. City. B. Country. C. London. D. River. The correct answer is C. London. Which of the following is an abstract noun? A. Car. B. Tree. C. Building. D. Intelligence. The correct answer is D. Intelligence. Which of the following is a pronoun? A. Table. B. Quickly. C. She. D. Blue. The correct answer is C. She. Choose the correct pronoun to complete the sentence. Tom and blank are going to the store. A. I. B. Me. C. My. D. Mine. Correct answer is A. I. Choose the correct pronoun to complete the sentence. Blank is going to the park with her friends. A. Him. B. Her. C. His. D. She. The correct answer is D. She. Identify the type of pronoun in the following sentence. Whose book is this? A. Personal pronoun. B. Possessive pronoun. C. Reflexive pronoun. D. Interrogative pronoun. The correct answer is D. Interrogative pronoun. Which sentence uses a possessive pronoun correctly? This book is mine. B. This book is me. C. This book is I. D. This book is we. The correct answer is A. This book is mine. Choose the correct adjective to complete the sentence. The blank flowers are blooming. A. Quickly. B. Beautiful. C. He. D. In. The correct answer is B. Beautiful. Which sentence uses an adjective correctly? A. She is a quickly runner. B. She is a quick runner. C. She is a quick runs. D. She is a quick run. The correct answer is B. She is a quick runner. Identify the adjective in the following sentence. The tall man is my uncle. A. Tall. B. Man. C. Is. D. Uncle. The correct answer is A. Tall. Which of the following is an adjective? A. Slowly. B. Car. C. Bright. D. They. The correct answer is C. Bright. Choose the correct demonstrative adjective to complete the sentence. Blank. Shoes are new. A. Which. B. These. C. His. D. Few. The correct answer is B. These. Identify the determiner in the following sentence. She has 3 cats. A. She. B. Has. C. 3. D. Cats. The correct answer is C. 3. Which of the following is a determiner? A. Many. B. Quickly. C. They. D. Joyful. The correct answer is A. Many. Identify the determiner in the following sentence. This is my book. A. This. B. Is. C. Book. D. My. The correct answer is D. My. Which of the following is an indefinite determiner? A.